Hello, my name is Evren Ryu from Calm Chaos Crystals in New Richmond, Wisconsin. We are a metaphysical store, but I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to talk about fossilized coral. Now, here is our fun map book with our fossilized coral souls. They're quite unique, depending on the size of the coral. These are all tumbled. Good look, but they come in various beige colors, tan, almost off-white cream color. The detail is just phenomenal. Now, the soul of a fossilized coral is incredibly optimistic. If you need a pick-me-up, this is the stone. Oh, I love that tricolor. Now, these are mostly found in Indonesia and the United States. Florida and Georgia had discovered the agatized fossilized coral. And actually, Florida in 1979 made this stone its official state stone. Sweet, right? Now, if you're needing any sort of protection, the soul will assist in strengthening your circulatory system, your blood cells, and it heals the nervous system. By doing all of this and healing your soul, it opens a doorway for acceptance. And when your soul is able to accept anything that comes its way, you have possibilities for friendships, and also it aids with community work. Beautiful. And now the coloration of this works great for your Earth Star chakra. This is the chakra that is about 12 inches below your root chakra, and it anchors and connects you to the Mother Earth. So if you're feeling too daydreamy, too out there, not very focused, this will help you focus. It'll help you anchor down into Mother Earth. It's quite a brilliant stone. So many shapes, so many varieties. These are all tumbled. I do not have a raw fossilized coral. When I obtain a piece, I will add it to the clip. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Please visit our website at calmchaoscrystals.com. Have a good day.